Guys, this is the legit. Y'all know I don't fake stuff. This is the real Cybertruck right here. I got it early because I'm not good at talking. So, but anyway, I got it early. So when we test out the real life Cybertruck's power here, okay, that is real power right there. I'm really glad I bought it for like $1 million or something like that. Oh, it can't pull the time. Let's upgrade it. Upgrade these tires. There, let's play it again. Look at that power. I am so glad I bought this thing. I'm gonna be flexing on everyone. Guys, y'all, if y'all want, well, here's how I got it early, actually. I called Tesla, and they just let me try it out for my YouTube channel. And this is legit, guys. I know I don't fake this stuff. Look at that, though. Full on power. Wow. Oh no. Okay, guys. Y'all comment down below if y'all want me to try out my Tesla some more. The Cybertruck's the real deal, guys. Actually buy it yourself. It's really fun. They may not give it to y'all early, but they did me. Yep. Make sure to subscribe.